if we're currently subscribing to your rebuilds, at what point would you use your Cloud Stack service? Well, it's interesting because I kind of integrate that with the link building anyway. So there are times where I will build a cloud page in lieu of another link. And I charge $60 for a single cloud page. So we'll deduct $60 from the monthly link building budget for that month that we build a cloud page. So we do that when we feel it's needed, or if you request it. Or you can always purchase a cloud page separately, right? That's an add-on. You can add that as an add-on or as a one-off if you want. But we do that often anyways. We'll build the cloud pages anyways. Because like I said, guys, I don't like to build a ton of we don't always just hammer links at the money site all the time, because there comes a point in time where you reach the average number of backlinks of your competitors. We try not to exceed that. We only build links to the money site to manipulate anchor text ratios and topical trust flow categories. Once we get those into an appropriate range, then we shift most of our link building activities to tier 2, because there's no need to continue hammering home on the money site, right? You can overdo it. So there's no need for that. We can achieve most of what we need to do at tier 2 after modifying anchor text ratios in topical categories, right? And Cloud Stack's a big part of that. I love where I don't do Cloud Stacks. I do cloud pages. Right. And now I do sell Cloud Stacks, but when I sell a Cloud Stack, it is a cloud page backed up by semantic links, not by additional cloud pages, if that makes sense. That's my version of a Cloud Stack, a cloud page that is backed up with at least 2 semantic links, like topically relevant links in the most appropriate topical trust flow category for that project.